Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Rainbow Loom Jumbo Neon Bucket. So there's 2 Happy Looms, 8,000 bands, and 150 C-clips. And this is what it looks like from the outside. I'm so excited. So let's open this up. So the first thing you'll see is this instructions manual, and basically it explains how to use the Happy Loom, how to use the C-clip, and yeah. Moving on to the bands, there are so many bands. I love the brightness of neon colors, the fact that if you ever see anybody wear neon, you can see that person from a mile away. Okay, not really a mile away, but you know what I mean. Next in our bucket is the Happy Loom. So you'll get 2 of these, and this product is actually one of our newest tools, and basically it's called a Happy Loom because it looks like a smiley face. And you will also see that there are these 3 cutouts, and basically these are so that it's easy to grab on your bands while you're looming. And then there's this bottom mouth part area that's to help hold your bands when you're looming. And basically all you have to do is grab a few bands with your index and thumb finger and throw it on that bottom mouth area, like what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial of how to do a fishtail on here. First you're going to take your first band and make a figure 8. Then you're going to take your second and third band, you're just going to wrap it around the eyes on top, like that. Then next you're going to take your very bottom band and bring it over the eyes, and after you do that you're going to push down. And then you're going to take your next band and just wrap it around. Take your bottom bands, throw it over the eyes, and push down. And you basically repeat. And you're just going to keep on doing this until the bracelet is long enough to fit on your wrist. Moving on to the last product in the bucket is the C-clips. They are the colored C-clips, which I love so much because you can just match it with the color of your bracelet, which makes it so much more fun. And there you have it. These are all the products inside of the Jumbo Neon Bucket, and they are available now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you're most excited about in this bucket. See you next time. Bye!